For many times in our first reading, we've heard the words turn or turning. More than an action, we use this word to point out or maybe describe an experience of conversion. One turns from sin to new life or maybe to reconciliation. One turns from his or her vices to health. One turns from being idle in the faith to being joyful in the faith. Ngunit hindi naman po isinalin sa Tagalog ang salitang ito sa salitang pag-ikot. Sinalin ito sa pagsasabi ng pagtalikod. At kapag may tinatalikuran, hinaharap mo ang iyong likod sa nakaraan at gayon din, hinaharap mo ang sarili mo sa mga bagong pagkakataon. As early as this week of our Lenten preparations, such is the reminder to each and every one of us to turn. At mas gusto ko po nga siyang gamitin hindi sa salitang pag-ikot, kundi sa salitang pagtalikod. Dahil kung tatalikod, malaki ang pag-asa na may hinaharap tayong bago. Kung iikot, baka bumalik lang tayo kung nasaan lang tayo dati. We might be praying for our own conversion. We might be praying as well for a friend or for others to at least embrace a new life. But to whomever the gift or the call of conversion is given, turn back from what wounded you, face the healing that awaits you. I'd like to be a little bit millennial. God's call to conversion is not to make you ikot. Kasalanan to kasalanan. But God's call is pagtalikod. Kasalanan to pagpapatawad. Kasakitan to kagalingan. Sugat to paghilom at marami pa pong iba. This is just a right disposition that we can present when we all face the Lord as what He is also teaching us in our gospel. To turn to those who have done wrong to us, or maybe to turn to those whom on our end we might have done wrong. Tatalikod sa mga nagawa at hindi lang iikot muli sa ating mga ginawa. Dahil haharap tayo sa Panginoon, tatalikuran ang mga nagpabigat para harapin naman din natin ang panibagong buhay. My dear sisters and brothers, this is the desire of God to each and every one of us. Not for us to turn and turn and turn again, and as if nothing is happening to us, but to turn our back, tumalikod, and face ahead of what awaits us. God's mercy, forgiving others, maybe forgiving even of ourselves, making peace with each other, and endless chances to live well.